Bored? Nothing to do? The library have so many things for you. Doing yoga, playing guitar, cooking, gardening. Name it. We have all those books for you to read and learn. This weekend, I'm going to learn how to bake. And someone said, I can just watch it on YouTube.
We're starting again? We go back. Oh no, I have to watch again.
That's really frustrating. But with books, your life will be much, much easier. All we need is just one good book. And did you know that we have loads of cooking and baking books in the library? Yes, you heard it right. So why don't you join me to have a trip to the nonfiction section to check some baking books? Both junior and senior library have varieties of interesting cookbooks. After going through the shelf, skimming and scanning each content of the book, I found the right one for me to start with. I'm going to use this book, The Little Red Barn Baking Book by Adriana Rabinovich. This book has hundreds of home-style recipes for maximum pleasure with minimum fuss. It includes everything from canapes, snacks, quick bread to muffins, cookies, and brownies. The Little Red Barn Baking Book is a truly delicious collection of recipes with easy-to-follow method and that can make your everyday cooking special. So, without further ado, let's bake this simple classic banana bread recipe from the Little Red Barn Baking Book. Stay tuned! Recipe for maximum pleasure with minimum use. Now, how about the taste? Let's find out.
Let me try this banana bread that mommy baked. Mommy! This is yummy!
Guaranteed to bring a shout of delight to those you love. For the complete ingredients and exact measurements, find out from the Little Red Barn Baking Book by Adriana Rabinovich.